it to me this time, okay? Thank you. This is the earliest I've ever been in this cycle. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Yeah, I thought so. This is bad. We're fine. Everything's fine. Alright, this is crazy good pace. This is crazy good pace. No, get the coin. I threw it. It's whatever. I could have got 122 if I didn't go for that. Whatever. That's a good run. That's a good run. I kind of fucked up getting the last coin, a little bit of the movement at the end. That was a good run. Goal was a 124. That was a 123. So, and almost a 122. Man, that's not bad for literally 35 minutes of de-resting pretty much. I'm just banging that out. Whew, man, that level is tough.